Hello dear students, in this lecture we study the fundamental operation called as project. In last lecture we have seen the definition of relational algebra and the select operation. In this lecture we are going to see what exactly the projection operator is. Relational algebra is nothing but the procedural query language, and it consists of set of operations that take one or two tables and produce a new relation. So whenever there contains only one table, then it is unary operation, and if it has two tables or more than two tables, then it is binary or tertiary relation. Fundamental operations are select, project, union, set difference, Cartesian product and rename. Today we will see the project operation. Last lecture we have already seen the select operation. Select operation is used to show only selected rows from the given table. For example, if I want to show only the records whose branch name is Perige, then I have to use the select operation. And in relational algebra, select operation is indicated by sigma symbol. Now this is the topic which we are going to see today, that is projection operation. Now select operation is used to show only the selected rows. But what about the columns? If I want to show one particular column, then we use the projection operation. So basically select operation is used to show the rows and projection operation is used to show the columns. Suppose we want to list all tuples, tuples means records, or rows. Suppose we want to list all tuples without any condition, then we use projection operation denoted by pi symbol. Projection operation in relational algebra, projection operation is used or denoted by pi operation, and select operation is shown by sigma operation, sigma symbol. So pi, here one example is there, pi loan underscore name comma amount bracket in bracket loan. So loan is the relation here, and which fields or which columns we are going to show, that is loan number and amount. So pi loan number comma amount from loan table. So this is how you can show the projection operation, pi loan number amount in bracket loan. So after executing, the output of this relational algebra is two columns, that is loan number and amount. Now compositional relation operation, that means if I want the combination of rows and columns, then how you can write the relational algebra. Now here find those customers who live in Harrison. So here there are two things given. The city of the customer is given, and we want to display the customer's names. So customer name is the column and name of the city Harrison belongs to row value. So here compositional relational operation is used. How to write this compositional relational operation? To understand this, one example is the here, find those customers who live in Harrison city. We want the names of the customers. So names of the customer or customer name is the column. So pi customer name. In bracket we want the customers who live in Harrison. So Harrison comes under the row values. So select operation is used here, that is sigma customer underscore city is equal to Harrison, and these two things belongs to customer table. So pi customer name in bracket sigma, that is select operation, customer city is equal to Harrison in bracket customer. So we get the values or we get the customer name tables, customer name column, customer name table customer name column we get, and under that column we get only those rows whose CT is Harrison. The next operation is union operation. It is very simple operation. We can combine the values from or the columns from two tables. For example, we have two columns, borrower and depositor, and we want to combine the field customer name of borrower and customer name of depositor. So, union operation, you have to just use U here to indicate union operation. Pi customer name borrower, so all the customer name column from borrower table unite with customer name from depositor table. So, here after union operation we get all the customer names from borrower table and depositor table. In this way, we have seen in this lecture projection operation and union operation. Projection operation is used to show the column values. Select operation is used to show the row values. If we want to show the column and row at the same time, then we have to use compositional relational algebra. So, at a time we can use pi operator as well as sigma operator. Thanks for listening.